If we have a look into our Checkmk portal, we see one host here right now. This is my host and the host is down, which is of course not good. We expect to see an alert in SIGNL4. And when I showed the app here, you see that there is an alert. New alert problem on my host, and I can see all the information that are relevant for this alert. I can acknowledge by tapping the question mark, and I can also annotate the alert. Can just say OK, or I can provide some additional information for my team members or for the control center. And this information, so the acknowledgement information as well as the annotation, goes back into the Checkmk portal. Here under commands, you see the acknowledgement information, acknowledged by SIGNL4 user myself, and you can also see the annotation here. Okay, what I also would like to show you is the resolution. Well, let's have a look into our SIGNL4 app again, and what happens when the problem gets resolved in Checkmk is that the corresponding alert in SIGNL4 gets closed as well. I've simulated this in the background, and as you can see here, the alert is closed now. It's closed by event source or API, which in this case means it is closed by Checkmk. Okay, how does this work? What do we need to configure on the Checkmk side? We need to configure our notifications. And in this case, we go to Setup Notifications and we see our notification rules. You can create a new rule or edit an existing one. And the important part of this rule is the notification method. Here, you need to select SIGNL4 alerting as notification method. The only relevant configuration here is the team secret. You can specify the team secret here explicitly, or you can get your SIGNL4 team secret from the password store within Checkmk. That's all, and now you are able to send alert and to support alert resolution. For the two-way communication, we need to go into the SIGNL4 portal. Here we are, and now under apps you can see the Checkmk connector app. You can create this one and then configure it. I have created it already, and I will show you how it looks like, how the configuration looks like. It's quite straightforward. You need to configure the Checkmk URL. That's the URL of your Checkmk server available from the internet. So it's important to configure your firewall accordingly, open the port 443, and also make sure that the SIGNL4 IP address is allowed in your firewall settings. Then you need your Checkmk username and password that are able to access the API. And there's one more setting, annotations as acknowledgement. You can check this one to support annotations and to communicate annotations back to the Checkmk portal. If you don't check this one, you just get the acknowledgement and the closure information in your Checkmk dashboard.